Hi there, welcome to another customer story. Today I'll be talking about a Vancouver startup that designed and built an artificial wave machine with SOLIDWORKS CAD tools. So, their mission? To share the fun experience of surfing on a wider scale. The Ka'ana Wave team hope to support the board sports industry and retailers who are challenged by seasonal highs and lows. Jamie Watson is the CEO of Ka'ana Wave, and he says, snowboarding depends on climate. Until now, surfing has depended on geography. We're using our technology to make a great wave, challenging the theory that surfing happens only in the ocean. In the initial stages of their designs, they used a lightweight software to design small prototypes that were produced on a desktop 3D printer. When it was time to meet industry standards of engineering and manufacturing, SOLIDWORKS was key. They consulted their engineering and manufacturing firms, who pointed them in the direction of SOLIDWORKS. Now, SOLIDWORKS has a program that supports entrepreneurs and startups, and it gives them a year of free access to the 3D design software tools and the SOLIDWORKS community. They purchased a SOLIDWORKS premium license shortly after completing their startup program. A key focus for their design is attention to surface modeling. With over 1,000 iterations, their team were constantly reshaping the wave machine's heads. Having the capability to evaluate and reshape surface features before producing full-scale parts has been extremely beneficial for preventing increased manufacturing costs. Jamie says, "I'm so impressed with the SOLIDWORKS community. We have access to an extensive public knowledge base. I've watched YouTube videos with qualified teachers and relied on Javelin's technical blog articles for troubleshooting." He reports that Javelin has been fantastic from the get-go, from helping them apply to the program and supporting them along the way with the SOLIDWORKS and 3D printing. With the strike of COVID, Ka'ana couldn't launch their trade show in November of 2020, so they spent extra efforts on producing marketing material. The combination of high-quality renders and live product demos sparked lots of excitement for their product. Renders and animations created in SOLIDWORKS help potential customers see how the machines work and function in real-life settings. The systems are shown in resorts, water parks, amusement parks, public or private swimming complexes, and many other places as attractions. The smaller systems can generate waves from 4 feet to 6 feet tall, and the larger systems can do about double of that, creating up to a 12-foot wave. What's great about these systems is they're designed for surfers of all skill levels, and when they're turned off, the pools can be used for normal use. After a year of free access to the suite of SOLIDWORKS 3D design software, the Canadian startup began using the industry standard tools expected by all their manufacturing partners. Ka'ana continues to take advantage of the technical expertise of Javelin specialists, as well as the SOLIDWORKS community, to learn how to maximize their use of the software. Being able to easily evaluate surface features well before moving to creating fiberglass parts has been valuable, considering Ka'ana has worked with 1,000 iterations of the wave machine's shaping heads. Rendering and animations created in SOLIDWORKS are helping potential customers understand how the Ka'ana machines work in real-life environments. If you'd like to learn more about their wave systems and their products, visit their website. If you're interested to learn more about the SOLIDWORKS program for entrepreneurs and startups, get in contact with Javelin and we'll take care of you. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.